students, a very good morning. And in previous video I have explained the topic BODMAS rule, which is related to the chapter 2, and today I will explain the concept of factors and multiples. So students, you have studied factors in previous classes, and same concepts are given in this chapter also, so it is not a new concept for you, and this is given for your revision purpose. Okay, so I am going to tell about the concept of factors and multiples. After that I will solve the numeral problems which is related to the factors and multiples. So let's start. Factors. So students, factors, what is factors? Factors means to if we divide a number to another number, and the number which is used to be divided, and if a number is divided properly, it means the remainder will become 0, then the number is the factor of that number. Or we have to say that factor means an exact divisor. Factor means an exact divisor. So this is the definition of factor. A factors is a factors of a number. A factors of a number is an exact divisor. Exact division means proper divisor. It means when the divisor divide that number properly, it means the remainder will become 0. So factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So this is the definition of a factor. A factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number. That number is the number which is to be divided, divided. So let's understand with the example of this definition. For example, 2 is the factor of 4. Why? Because if 4 is divided by 2, then the remainder is equal to 0, as so students, this is the example. Hence we can say that 2 is the factor as well as 2 is the exact divisor. Okay, so this is the concept of factor. It means if you have to check the number is the factor of that number, so the number will divide that number at when the remainder will become 0, then the number is the factor of that number. So this is the concept of factor, and after that we have to move on to multiples. What is multiples? Multiples, if multiple is the product of when the two numbers are multiplied with each other, then the product is the multiple of both the numbers. Okay students, so this is the definition of multiple. It means for example, if we multiply two numbers like 7 or 8, if 7 and 8 are multiplied to each other, then we will get the product 56, and 56 is the multiple of both the number. It means 56 is the multiple of 7 and as well as 8. So this is the concept of multiple. Okay, so now we have to write the definition of multiple. When so students, you have to write the product of any two of the numbers is the multiple of both the numbers. Okay students, so this is the definition of multiples. The product of any two of the numbers. Product means when you have sometimes you are familiar that if we multiply two numbers, then we will get the product. We will get the result, and this result is known as product. Okay, so product is the, if we multiply two numbers, then the product is the multiple of both the numbers. Okay, so this is the definition of multiples. For example, 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. Okay student, now hence 56 is the multiples of 56 is the multiples of both 7 and 8. Both 7 and 8. Okay students, so both the definition are very important for this class as well as after this class also. So pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot for this definition. Now moving our next concept, some important facts about factors and multiples. Students, there are some interesting facts which is related to the factors and multiples, and this is very important in for questions just like true false question as well as fill in the blanks question. Also it is very useful. This concept is very useful in multiple choice question also. So watch this all the points which I have which I am going to write and you have to learn and or memorize all the concept. Okay student, so first concept, first fact is 1 is the factor of 1 is the factor of every number. So students, this is the first fact that 1 is the factor of every number. It means 1 is only number which is factor of all the numbers. For example, no number is made without 1. Okay students, so 1 is the factor of every number. For example, uh, if we divide any number, just like 64, then we will get the number 64. So this is the this shows that 1 is the factor of every number, because if we divide 64 by 1, then we will get the result 0, or we will get the remainder 0. So 1 is the factor of every number. Now moving on, our next fact. Every number is a factor of itself. So students, this is the another fact that every number is a factor of itself. It means if we divide the number by same number, then we will get the result 1 or remainder 0. So this proves that every number is a factor of itself. Okay students, so for example, if we divide 7 by 7, then we will get the result 1. So students, this shows that every number is a factor of itself. Now moving our next fact, that every number is the factor of given. Every factor is the number which is greater than or equal to the given number. It means that if we find the for example 4 is the number, and if we collect all the possible factors, for example 4 is the what is the possible factor of 4? It has 4 factor, no 3 factor, because the possible factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So this shows that 4 has the possible factor as 3, 1, 2 and 4. So this shows that every factor is the greater than or equal to the factor of the given number. So this is the fact of third fact. We have to write every factor is always greater than or equal to the number, equal to that number. So this concept is to be understood by more easily. For example, since 4, the possible factor of all possible factors of 4 is 1, because 1 is the factor of all the numbers. 2, because if we divide 4 by 2, then we will get the remainder 0, and also 4, because every factor is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Okay, so there are 3 factors of 4, and the all possible factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. that is 4 has 3 factors. Okay students, so this is the example of this concept that all the possible factor of 4 is 1 to 4. So this shows that every factor is always greater than or equal to that number. Okay students? So students, there are some correction in this concept. Every factor is always less than or equal to that number. So this concept can be understood by this example. Here the all possible factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4, which shows that maximum factor is 4. This shows that 4 is equal to 4. So this fact is true, because every factor is always less than or equal to that number. It means here the factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. It shows that 4 is the maximum factor which is equal to, and also all the factors are less than 4. Okay student? So this is the example we have to write. The all possible factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4, which is less than and equal to 4. Pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, moving our next fact. In previous fact we understand that every number has a factor of less than or equal to that number. It means 4, for example, 4 is the possible factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. This shows that 4 is the maximum factor of the 4, and all the factors are less than 4. But in multiples this concept is totally opposite. Every multiples of a number is always greater than or equal to that number. So students, this is the fact of multiple, that every multiples of a number is always greater than or equal to that number. For example, if we write the multiple of 5, since multiples of 5 is table of 5, we have to write table of 5. 5 into 5, 5 to the 10, 15, 20 and so on. This shows that all the multiples are greater than, for example 10 is the greater than 5, 15 is the greater than 5, 20 is greater than 5, and all the multiples are greater than 2, 5 and equal to that number. So this is the example the fact is to be understand. Okay students, so this is the example. Since multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, which is greater than or equal to 5. So students, this is the fact number 4. Now moving our next fact. Next fact is saying that every number of factor is countable or finite. So this fact is saying that every number of factor is countable or finite. It means that if a number has the factor, if we find the factor of the number, then we will get the finite number of factor and it is countable. For example, if factor of 15 is 1, possible factor, we have to write 1, 3, 5 and 15. That is 4 factors and it is finite. It means countable. But in multiples there are uncountable or infinite multiples we will get. So pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now moving our next fact for multiple. Every number of multiples is infinite or uncountable of given number. So students, this is the another fact that multiples of a number is infinite. It means we can't count every multiple, we can't count. So this is the fact that if we finding the multiples of any number, then there will be an infinite number of multiples. For example, multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So this shows that the multiples of every number is infinite, which is infinite or uncountable. So students, this is the fact which is related to factors and multiples, and these facts are very important to solve questions, for example true false question or fill in the blanks question, as well as multiple choice question. So write all the factors in your copy and learn it or memorize. Okay students, now the concept of factor and multiples have been finished now. So in next topic we will solve the numeral problem which is based on factor and multiple. So students, moving our next topic, which is the exercise of 2.2, and it is based on the concept of factors and multiples which I have told. in previous section. So write all the factors of 36. So first of all you have to solve in rough, or you have to solve by yourself that which number is from which number it is 36 to be divided. So first number is 1, because 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Okay student, so all factors of 36 are, first one is 1, second one is 2, because 18 to the 36. You have to write all the possible factors. Then after that 3, because 12 3 is 36. Now 4 9 is 36. 5, no, 5 is not. 6 is 36. After that 7 8 9 10 11 12. Because 4 3 is 12. Then next one is 18 to the 36. Then you will get, and last one is 36, because every number is the factor of itself. It means 36 is the last factor of the 36. So these are the factors of 36. Here one factor is missing, which is 9. 9 is also the factor of 36, because 9 4 is 36. So this is the answer of this question. Now moving our next question, B part is you have to find factor of 81. So factors of 81 are all the factors. You have to write all the factors. First one is 1, second one is, this is odd number, so it can't be divided by 2. 3, because 27 3 is 81. After that 9, then 27, then 81. So this is the factors of 81, and now remaining question you have to solve by yourself from this method. Okay, so moving our next question, which is write the first 5 multiples of 20. So student, this question is very easy. If you find the multiples of any number, then you have to write the table of that number. So this question is very easy for solving. First five multiples of 25 are, you have to write the table of 25 and the 25 to the 50. Then after that, so student, these are the multiples of 25, and this is the table of 25 also. So students, you have to write only first 5 multiples. It means you have to write from beginning, and after write first 5 multiples, then you have to stop the process. So All the remaining question are you have to solve by yourself. And thank you very much to for being with us, and I hope that all the concept which I have told today understand carefully, and thank you.